Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for my today's video will be about various filming locations of one of the most iconic and popular TV series ever made, and it is Game of Thrones. So Game of Thrones basically is an HBO TV series drama and it has been famous worldwide. So this was an adaptation of a best-selling novel which was written by George R. R. Martin, and the name of the novel was A Song of Ice and Fire. So various of its scenes which you see in the Game of Thrones and its maximum iconic scenes, I must say. So all has been shot in the parts and different location of the Northern Ireland. So I got a chance to visit Northern Ireland in the month of Feb this year. Yes, before COVID-19 cases were not that much high. So I just went lucky and I got a chance to visit Northern Ireland and its various locations and filming locations of the Game of Thrones. So Northern Ireland basically is known for its mesmerizing beauty, its incredibly beautiful landscapes, its blue and green water coastlines. So this was the reason why producers and directors they chose Northern Ireland to film their Game of Thrones, and since then it became the primary filming location of the Game of Thrones. Although I visited in the Feb this year, but still I just thought to share those beautiful memories, those pictures and videos with you all guys, and this is the reason why I'm shooting this video today. So without wasting any further time, I'll just take you to the tour of all these filming locations. So let's get started. So the very first location which we visited, the very first filming location was the Titanic Studios in the Belfast. So Titanic Studios, Titanic Museum is a place where most of the scenes of the Game of Thrones has been shot. So if you see the interior and the indoor scenes, so those scenes are basically shot in the Titanic Studio. Also, it has a store there from where you can buy those fridge magnets, those t-shirts and scarves, and beautiful such things if you want to take a memory with you of those places. And each of these items had a Titanic printed all over it. So if you want, you can just collect one or two items for a gifting purpose to your friends or family. So the second location which we visited was the Bravos Canal at the Candler Harbour. So at the Bravos Canal, you can see that one of the most popular characters of the Game of Thrones, who is Arya Stark. So she was stabbed by a wolf, and then she somehow escapes and crawls up. So that is the location where she manages to crawl up in that sea and the area. So you can see in the pictures. So this is the area where this scene has been shot, and you can witness this scene in the season 6, episode 7. The other location, which is the third location which we visited, and it was a beautiful place, so that was the Cushton Caves. So Cushton Caves basically is surrounded all over by the rocks and the sea, and in the Cushton Caves you can see where Davos Seaworth, who is one of the longest supporting characters in the Game of Thrones, and we've been watching since the season 2 and it will continue till the season 8. So where Davos Seaworth and Melisandre, so they both landed ashore, and also, so this is the place where the birth of the Shadow Baby takes place, and you can witness this scene in the season 2. The view was very beautiful near the Cushton Caves and it was mesmerizing. So it was a very good spot to click most of the pictures. So hence I did not miss any chance, and this is one of the most my favorite pictures which has been shot and clicked near the Cushton Caves. The fourth location which we visited was the Ballantoy Beach, and Ballantoy Beach, guys, I must say, it was really very beautiful. One of my personal favorites out of all these locations. So it was all over surrounded by the sea and water everywhere, the rocks, So in the Ballantyre beach, you can see the one of the scenes where Euron Greyjoy, who is presumed to be dead, so he somehow kills his brother Balon Greyjoy, and then he hunts for the Yara and Theon Greyjoy to kill them further. So you can witness this scene in the season 6 and episode 2 and 5. So this was the scene which has been shot near the Ballantyre beach. Here also you can take maximum number of photographs and pictures since the view was very good. So the fifth location which we visited was the Dark Hedges. So Dark Hedges is a location which is surrounded by big planted trees all across in the straight line. So this is the location where a scene has been shot which is related to again Arya Stark, one of the most popular characters. So Arya Stark somehow she escapes the King's Landing and then travels her journey towards the north on the King's Road. So this is the scene which has been shot near the Dark Hedges, and you can witness this scene in the season 2 episode 1. So apart from all those five filming locations which we visited, so there was one more place, one more a famous tourist attraction which we went to, and that was the Carricker Red Rope Bridge. So Carricker Red Rope Bridge is a bridge which spans to across to 20 meters, and it's 99 feet above the rock level. So it's at a huge height. You can also see in the pictures. You need to pay a certain amount, and then you can just walk on that bridge. And the amount was, I guess, it was £10. So somehow I did not get a chance to witness to have this experience because the wind speed that day was too much, and hence we were advised not to risk our lives and go on that bridge. So and therefore the plan was dropped. So that was the end of my Northern Ireland chapter, guys. And Northern Ireland, I must say, it's really, really very beautiful. So I will recommend you all once the situation gets better, once the COVID-19 is over. So definitely you should go and visit to Belfast in Northern Ireland. Also, all the GOT fans out there, so I would definitely recommend you to visit all these locations. Like this video, please do like, share with maximum of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And also people who are watching this video, so I can sense that you're thinking to watch all those episodes which has been mentioned in my video. So definitely you should go and check out those locations and those scenes. So till then, stay safe, take care of your friends and family, and love you all. Bye bye.